Review on the Ordinary Resveratrol 3% plus Ferulic Acid 3%. It has a simple white box ingredients in English and French. Dark glass dropper bottle. There's only a batch number, so no expiry date on it. The ingredients are very simple. It has waterless formulation and contains 2 antioxidants. When applied topically, it is to protect outermost layer of the skin and help negate environmental damage. As for the texture, it has no scent and waterless brownish texture serum. The texture isn't the best thing. I need to use a few drops of it with other essence or serum, as on its own it just doesn't absorb into the skin even with rubbing and patting so many times. It does help skin to become brighter, more bouncy, and without any irritation. I find it's an affordable, gentle anti-aging boost in skincare routine. If only something could be done with the texture. Overall, it is okay, for the really low price.